Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic growth and development in plants. Introduction to meristems. Meristems are the growth zones in plants. The apical meristem is responsible for primary growth, the intercalary meristem for growth in length, and the lateral meristem are growth in girth. These stages determine the shape and size of plant. Types of meristems. Apical meristems are located at the tips of roots and shoots. Intercalary meristems are found at the base of leaves and allow for regrowth of damaged tissue. Lateral meristems are responsible for the growth in girth of the plant. Apical meristems. Apical meristems are located at the tips of the roots and shoots. They are responsible for primary growth in plants. They produce new cells that differentiate into various plant tissues. Apical meristem. Here are some key characteristics and functions of apical meristems. Cell division. Apical meristem consists of rapidly dividing cells which undergo mitosis to produce new cells. These new cells then differentiate into various types of plant tissues, including primarily vascular tissue, epidermis, and ground tissue. Primary growth. Apical meristem are responsible for primary growth, which involves the elongation of stems and roots. As cells divide and elongate, the plants increases in height and length. Location. In stems, the apical meristem is typically found at the very tip in structures known as terminal buds. In roots, it is located at the tip of the root, protected by a root cap. Root growth. In the case of root apical meristems, they give rise to the primary root tissue and are critical for root elongation and penetration into the soil. Shoot growth. In the case of shoot apical meristems, they produce new leaves, stems, and branches which contribute to the upward growth of the plant. Protection. The delicate cells of the apical meristem are protected by the surrounding layers of tissue, including the root cap in root apical meristems and the terminal bud scales in shoot apical meristem. Intercalary meristems. Intercalary meristems are found in the nodes of grasses and some dicots. They allow for continuous growth in the absence of apical meristem. They play a role in regenerating lost tissue. Intercalary meristems. Here are some key characteristics and functions in intercalary meristems. Location. Intercalary meristems are located at specific points along stem or leaves. In stems, they are often found at the base of nodes where leaves attach to the stem. In leaves, they are situated at the base of the leaves blade near the leaf struct. Primary growth. Intercalary meristems are responsible for primary growth and elongation of the plant. They contribute to the increase in height of the stem or the elongation of certain leaf structure. Grasses. Intercalary meristem are particularly well known in grasses. In grasses, the region between the node and the base of the leaf blade contains an intercalary meristem. This allows grasses to exhibit a unique ability to regrow after grazing and moving. When the apical meristem at the tip of the grass shoot is removed, intercalary meristem can continues to produce new leaf and stem tissue. Leaf growth. In leaves with intercalary meristems, the meristem contribute to the elongation of the leaf blade. This is particularly important on grasses where leaves often elongate as the plant grows taller. Regeneration. Intercalary meristems play a role in plant regeneration. When a portion of the stem or leaf is damaged or removed, the intercalary meristem can initiate the growth of new tissue, promoting recovery and repair. Lateral meristems. Lateral meristems are responsible for increasing girth and width of the plant. Two types of lateral meristem are core cambium and vascular cambium. Core cambium produce outer bark while vascular cambium produce secondary xylem and phloem tissues. Conclusion and implications. Understanding the different types of plant growth and development is critical when it comes to maximizing crop yield and ensuring food security for the growing population. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video.